Welcome to Jcrmg, your trusted partner in mortgage solutions. Let's talk on why you should call Joe Frank Saros, your dedicated loan officer. At Jcrmg, we specialize in helping you refinance your mortgage to achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to refinance your first mortgage, take out cash for debt consolidation, or explore a home equity line of credit, HELOC, we've got you covered. If your first mortgage has a low rate, a HELOC might be the perfect solution for accessing your home's equity without refinancing your entire mortgage. Imagine the possibilities with extra cash in hand, home improvements, debt consolidation, or simply a financial cushion for peace of mind. Call us today at 1-888-600-7577 to discuss your options. We're here to help you every step of the way. Visit joesaros.com to read the full disclaimer. Jcrmg Inc. Doing business in California only. NMLS 24041 DRE 01356767. Call Joe Frank Saros Loan Officer at 1-888-600-7577 today.